A very common question we get asked is which Martinez is right for me. And the answer is whichever one you like. So the main differences is this is the M1, this is the M4, this is the M79 head. This is great for first fix, this is great for second fix, and this is great as a lump hammer. A lot of people like the option of putting the M1 head on the M4 handle, which makes for a nice hammer. Obviously you've got a shorter handle on there, but with a heavier head. Also, it depends on your carry, what tool belt you've got. So if you're happy having a longer handle as opposed to a shorter handle. But the great thing about the Martinez is that you can mix and match with no problem at all. So to swap out the head, all you do, you need a 3/8 star spanner, which is available on the website. Out the head. Then you put your other head down, put your handle in until it's up tight to the head there.